A good set of salt and pepper shaker grinders are a must-have in any kitchen, and these rechargeable salt and pepper grinders from Circle Joy make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Hi, I'm Sarah from WTI, and I'm ready to tell you all about the perfect addition to my kitchen. Not only are these salt and pepper grinders beautiful to look at, I absolutely love that they have a rechargeable dock that they fit securely into. I keep my dock right on my kitchen counter, so while I'm cooking, I'm never bothered by low-charge grinders where I have to stop and recharge them and then worry about burning my meals. These are always fully charged and ready to go when I am. The company offers grinders in many different styles. All of them are absolutely beautiful, and they have different features, so you can find the one that suits your specific needs. These were very easy to fill, and I was impressed with their capacity. They are designed with a little window in the front of each grinder so you can see when your spices are getting low. I was also impressed by their durability. I live in a house with kids and pets, so making meals is usually rushed, and I have to admit that I haven't been real easy on these grinders, but they have withstood all of my abuse and they still work like they're fresh out of the box. So if you're looking to add a little beauty to your kitchen while making mealtime a little bit easier, then you're going to love these salt and pepper grinders as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.